Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I know I just said welcome, but we are feeling really good today because if you haven't checked my okay. If you haven't checked my last video, I got into fucking law school. I got into fucking law school. I'm so freaking happy about it. My mom though did have to remind me. She didn't need to remind me this because I already knew, but as I was trying, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. I've had a lot of caffeine today. So basically, for the final like procedures, I have to like send my passport, my transcript for my undergraduate, and I also need a reference letter, professional reference letter, ideally. And so I was writing up a rough draft of to like ask someone that I worked with at the Oregon State Legislature if they would be able to give me a professional reference. And so when I was going about it, like reading it over, I was like saying like, oh, I can't remember exactly the words I chose, but I was just like saying, oh, I got into law school and I'm studying international law it's a master's degree. I like said that in a more cohesive way. Like, actually, let me just like bring it up to you for you guys. Actually, I'm not gonna bore you into it, but essentially I was just like talking about like, hey, it's like it's technically law school. Like I'm not going to be like taking the bar or whatever, but I'm going to have a master's in transnational law, like international law. But my mom wanted me to clarify that. I was like, okay, well, I've already said I was going to do international law, but I got into a master's course and blah, 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 and international law. So I did that, sent it off. I hope to hear. I don't know. They're very busy. They're a very busy person. They're a lawyer, so I don't know when exactly I'll get it back. The deadline for all of these documents is April 17th, so we have some time. So it's pretty chill. It's pretty chill, guys. Nothing too concerned. Nothing to be too concerned about. But I'm just off. I literally couldn't sleep last night. I was so happy. I was just like, this is what I've been manifesting. This is what I've been working towards for so long, is a master's in, to get to a place where I can get a I feel like the universe is validating my struggle, or my struggle has now been validated by the universe because of this next step. And I want to live. I'm like, when I move back to London, I'm going to like treat it like I'm living there for forever. Not really forever, but I want to make London like my permanent home. At least until one day I'll be able to afford the lifestyle that I want in my home state. But I'm a pretty spoiled little guy, so like it's gonna take some time before we get there. But no, all in all though, London is is my favorite cities. I think I really just lucked out when I moved there for school. Like it was, I won't go into too much. Maybe I should do like a video topic about that. But I won't go into too much about it. But I'll just like let you guys know that London for me was very random, and there wasn't a whole lot of thought process that went into it. It was basically like, foreign country, speaks the same language, check, that's good by me. But it just turned out to be the right decision. I grew so much and I like myself. I like who I am in London, and I like that I still have like vibrant connections there, and I have a lot of friends, and I just feel safe and comfortable there. So yeah. Okay, my nose has been fucking bothering me, so we are going for the allergy pill. Yeah. Yeah. If any of you guys have recommendations on, like, I actually don't know how many people this video will reach, but if anyone has any experience with not even just starting a master's in law, but if you're a law student or former law student, or if you're a former master's student, like, hit me up with like put down in the comments like what I should prepare myself for, what I should be on the lookout for, and how I can like really utilize this this master's degree course. It's gonna be great. It's 1 year long, so it's gonna be intense. It's gonna be intense. But something tells me it's gonna be a bit less intense than like if I were to go to school in the United States. But that's mostly just because I don't have to study stuff that is not relevant to the course, the degree. So yeah. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I certainly know I will, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love you guys. Bye.